Did you know that sharks have really good eyesight? Most sharks can see well in dark lighted areas, have fantastic night vision, and can see colors. Sharks are often depicted as bloodthirsty villains in Hollywood blockbusters, but that is not true. They're far more fascinating and complicated in reality than they're often depicted in pop culture. Sharks are thought to have existed for more than 400 million years, long before the dinosaurs, according to fossilized teeth and scales. The ocean's top predators have evolved into roughly 500 different species, each with its own size, color, diet, and behavior. Sharks belong to a family of fish, along with rays and kraits. Sharks, like rays, belong to the Elasmobranchi family of fish. I hope I said that right. This subclass of fish has cartilage skeletons rather than bone, and 5 to 7 gill slits on each side of its head. They use these gills to filter oxygen from water. Sharks come in many different sizes. Whale sharks, the world's largest fish, can grow to be more than 55 feet long, while dwarf lantern sharks are only 8 inches long. They have mouths lined with multiple rows of individual teeth that fall out and grow back on a regular basis, making them formidable predators. Their teeth are serrated like a razor and triangular like a spear. And they come in a variety of different sizes and shapes. Sharks can be found in both deep and shallow waters all over the world's oceans, with some species migrating great distances to breed and feed. Some species prefer to be alone, while others prefer to be in groups of varying sizes. Lemon sharks, for example, have been observed to socialize in groups. Scientists are still trying to figure out how long sharks live, and they've only looked at the lifespans of a small number of shark species. The Greenland shark, with a lifespan of 272 years, is the world's longest living vertebrate. The majority of sharks prey on smaller fish and invertebrates, but some of the larger species hunt seals, sea lions, and other marine mammals. A shark's menu does not include people. Despite the fact that shark attacks have steadily increased since 1900 as a result of better recording and a growing human population, they are still extremely rare. A beachgoer's chance of being bitten is 1 in 11 million. Sharks bite people for a variety of reasons, including curiosity, self-defense, or mistaking a human for prey. Let's learn some more cool facts about sharks. As I've already mentioned, sharks do not have bones. Their skeletons are made up of cartilage. Sharks have special electroreceptor organs. These electroreceptor organs allow the shark to sense electromagnetic fields and temperature shifts in the ocean. Sharks can go into a trance. When you flip a shark upside down, they go into a trance-like state called tonic immobility. Sharks have been around for a very, very long time, at least 400 million years. Each whale shark's spot pattern is as unique as a fingerprint. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about sharks today. Thanks for watching and good luck studying.